Hey, I got the newer 2-pack of LED video lighting lights. Comes with 2 of these. These are adjustable, and I'll show you that in a second. But what's really cool is the LED itself. Turn it on, and there's different adjustments for the brightness. This is 5600K, and you can do a nice soft light 3200K. Either way, they're all bright options. Just depends on how you want to set your lights up. On the back here, it's got a really nice display. Up top, you got your battery level. So I do have to charge this, but you can change your brightness level itself, and then your luminosity of the light can change too. A tripod setup itself gives you a lot of different variations on how tall or short you want your light. So you can easily make your adjustments. They all lock in. So this almost goes all the way up to the ceiling. I can also change the angle up top here, and I can turn it as well. And these all lock in place. There's also a remote for these. You can control them, you can turn them on and off from the remote control itself. What I really like is the portability of these. Once they're fully charged, you can put them anywhere you want. You're not constricted to a cord and an outlet. I've not only used these for videos, but I've also used them for household projects. These are great for painting walls. Like I said, you can put this light anywhere you want. With these unplugged, these will last 105 minutes. What I also like is you don't have to worry about changing the bulbs in these. These are gonna last a ton longer than a normal halogen light bulb. And then when it's time to pack these up, this folds right up. Your light comes right off. And for convenient storage, everything fits right into this nice convenient bag. And there's another light. Like I said, this is a 2-pack. This is the other light that it comes with, and both lights will fit right in the bag. And then when it is time to charge it, or if you run out of battery and you still need the light on, it does come with a nice lengthy power cord. And this plugs right in the bottom. And these still will light when the cord is on and they're charging. So you have more than that 105 minutes of battery life. You can keep using these.